Hey Wyatt, it's Scott Walker. I just wanted to shoot you this quick video showing some tips and tricks that you can do yourselves to help bring in more business using your website and Google Business Profile. I would appreciate to hear feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies help and are educational for you. So I did look up platinum drain cleaning, and it looks like this one's it right here. But the website it looks like has been suspended, so one thing you might want to do is either start a new website or get this back up as soon as possible for first off. But one of my biggest suggestions is to have more content in your website. Google loves to see content, and they want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to add keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches. Where you are located and what services you offer are kind of what I'm looking at. Another good thing to do is to save photos and videos as keywords because that is considered content as well. I can't really tell based off of your the website being down, but uh, another thing that I do recommend is to have as many ways to convert up top at the top of your page. Like call, text, email, a chat feature, things like that, because that'll just have more ways for you to have leads come in. And so when you search for, buyer intent keywords, plumbing Provo, what you get is, you get these Google guarantees up here and then your local ads. And both of those are great ways to get business quickly, but then you really want to be in the Google Map Pack right here and or the Google Business Profile. Uh, you're not in this, which isn't a problem, but there's several ways to get there. And you want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure your business name and address and phone number are consistent and the same all across the internet because you don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character about us section at the bottom that you want to fill out, and don't forget to add those, buyer intent keywords in it as well. Another tip I recommend are for posting branded, geotagged, or geolocated photos weekly because that helps as well. And then adding citations like, the name, address, and phone number into Yellow Pages, Yelp, and different directories because Google's a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, it will make Google start to trust you more, and that will boost your business, and not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. So, Orem, Lehigh, things like that. And being in the Google Map Pack will give you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website, and they'll just give you a phone call just from right here on the first page. The next thing I want to go into is the organics. And your top competitor, these are directories, but your top competitor is Provo Plumber and the Valley Plumbing and Drain Cleaning. And if we go to their site, you can see that they service a bunch of areas because they have, the different locational pages. So if you service a bunch of areas as well, adding location pages with those locational keywords in that content is really helpful. Looks like they do have quite a bit of content on here, which isn't a problem because if you have more content on yours with better keywords, and then you start having your backlinks and your citations coming together, you'll start to outrank these guys. And like I said, you do that by using buyer intent keywords. So, your location and your service, or your service and location. And looking at these keywords, Provo Plumber, it gets searched 350 times each and every month. Plumber Provo, same thing. And I know that's just the two words backwards, but they do matter. But as you can see here, you got, 10 or so that are 250 or above. So you're looking at like 2,000 to 3,000 searches each and every month for, a plumber in Provo. And once you start to rank above your competitors, then this maximum volume that you're getting, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your website instead of theirs. And then a percentage of that is going to give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, it'll turn into a customer. So I definitely hope that this video was helpful. I again would appreciate to hear your feedback and thoughts. I appreciate your time. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.